If you don't know where to start and you don't know how to install a WordPress blog and you want to be able to get it up and running quick, I'm going to show you how to do that in this specific video. Let's get started. So like I said earlier, the majority of web hosting companies have WordPress as a package in part of their web hosting packages. So in this example, we're using Cpanel, which is a widely used web hosting panel, which basically allows you to control your website. Now, I'm going to click on Fantastico here, which contains the WordPress system. And at this point, I can simply locate the WordPress script. And to install it, it's super easy to do. All you have to do is click on New Installation. Either enter the install directory if you want it to be located in a subdirectory, or you can leave it blank if you want to install it on your main domain. So in this example, I'm going to install it in a subdirectory. And all you have to do next is to simply enter your admin username that you want, your password, your email address, your site name, and your site description. So I've entered the site name, which can be your company name or your website name, and then of course the description. I'm going to go ahead and fill out this confidential information, the username and password and the email right now, and click on Install WordPress. And at this point, you can simply confirm the installation. And if we log into the administrator dashboard, you can see that we have installed WordPress. And if I click on Visit Site, you'll be able to see the live site. You'll be able to add posts, pages, add media, images, videos, comments. You can edit the appearance in terms of the themes, the menus really easily, and you can add users to edit specific content if you want to give specific authors permission to edit specific areas of the site. You can do that. You can edit the settings and more. So as you can see, very easy to install, very easy to use.